Hey folks, I'll just show you quick how to jack up your car and change a tire. Today I came to the garage and noticed that my car had a flat tire on it. So I quick removed this donut spare from under this rear panel, which was as easy as spinning this nut here that holds it all in place out. Removed the spare tire and the jack, and here's where you put the jack. You put the jack on this pinch weld right here on the body. You can see they actually mark the spot with these little indentations. You put the jack right there on that pinch weld, just like so. I'm in my garage, so it's a flat level surface. It's a very safe place to be lifting the car up a little bit, and then I'll show you what to do. And place this wrench that they give you with your on your lug nut, and you would loosen your lug nuts before you lift the car in the air. Once your lug nuts are loose, you take, what am I doing here? Place this hook in here like so. You see that slides on the end of this tool. Let's see if I can show you that. Oops. Just on there like that. This just fell out of here. Like this, and then you can turn this. Makes a great handle, and you can lift your car just like this. See? And then when it comes time, you will go the opposite direction. You can lower the car down just like that. So there's not much to it. Once you get the car off the ground, you'd remove this tire, throw the donut on there, put your lug nuts back on, and use the same wrench to tighten those back up. Get them good and snug. The actual torque value is between 73 and 93 foot-pounds, if I remember correctly, which, since I'm right here in the garage, I just actually used my torque wrench on this and put this tire back on. I had it patched at the local tire shop. These tires are what came on the car new in 2025, and they're not likely to last long. I bet I'll replace them before winter. So I opted to have this tire patched instead of replacing it, because here in about 10,000 miles before winter, I'll put a good quality winter tire, snow tire on here, since we're in Iowa. So that's pretty much all there is to it. You would remove that jack like this. See, you just take that down, pull that out, and we'll take these tools and this jack, and they actually go right back inside of here. I'll show you how they came out. Like so. Jack goes in there like that. I don't remember if they had this crossed here, I think. They had this here. I think that was just laying across there, I believe. And then I'll show you how this just was laying in here. The spare back in here like that. And that's all that was holding that in. Tighten that back down so it doesn't rattle around back here. Now it's safe back in place in case case I were to need it again sometime. This kit is just laying in the tire like that. Well, that's all there is to it. Look at that. All right, folks. Hope you never need to know.